County, Montgomery County, Randolph County, Stanley County until 8 p.m. It's 7:10 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Lexington to Wesley Chapel, moving east at 65 miles per hour.